like beer? No beer? You go there?
Yes.
Okay.
Gift.
Okay, wait a moment.
This and water. Gift for you.
Okay, you put here.
What?
Okay.
And this.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
You go there, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and another because Alfamart no beer maybe.
No beer.
Yes. Because beer alcohol.
Alcohol. Yes, I like alcohol.
Yes. No store. Sell. One maybe. And what? These local people sell.
And more.
Yes. Because the store local people.
Yes.
Yes. Wow, it's alcohol.
Yeah.
Wow.
You wait for me or no?
Yes, I can wait. Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay, be careful. Can? Oh. Okay. More you buy.
I more too. Alcohol.
No.
Need alcohol for vacation.
Oh. I don't like alcohol.
Huh?
I don't drink alcohol.
I drink.
Oh. Are you married or no?
No.
How old are you?
28.
28?
Yes.
Maybe you no married. No good in no married.
We have no boyfriend. Haram.
Oh,
Haram boyfriend.
haram boyfriend.
Yes.
Yes. Only married. Yes.
But alcohol is not halal.
No good.
No, haram.
Boyfriend haram. Alcohol you drink. Oh my god. Every night you party maybe.
Huh?
You like party?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Party. No boyfriend, no man. I don't like that.
Oh my god.
Man, problem.
What problem? Oh my god. You find people Indonesian guy maybe? No?
Huh?
You find guy people from Indonesia or no? No? You don't like? Oh. Banyak dia beli. Okay, be careful.
Can I take this or?
Okay.
You want it?
Yes.
You want?
No, it's okay. Thank
I
you.
am hungry now. Thank you.
Welcome.
Here, how I say? Thank you. Bye.
Welcome, bye bye. Bye bye.
Di Emart dapat ya?
Iya.
Oh,
Antar aja. Dari tadi itu.
dari mana dia?
Dari Seminyak.